Hey guys, today we will see the working of our interrupt nodes on MSPM0. Let's get started. First take on signal node. We'll configure it to switch PB21. Select the edge type and enable pull up. Click on done. Take a pin right node. Connect it to on signal node. Take a delay node. Connect it to the pin right node. Again take a pin right node. Connect it to the delay node. Change the pin level to 0. Click on done. Now on pressing the switch PB21, the LED will turn on for 1 second and then turn off. Save your code, verify it and upload. The code has been uploaded. Now you can see on pressing the switch, the LED turns on for 1 second and then turns off. Let's see the working of our on receive node. Take our on receive node. Double click on it. Click on the pencil icon. Select the UART port and specify the baud rate. Select the TX pin port, TX pin, RX pin port, RX pin. Select the mode of operation, the direction, flow control, word length, parity, specify the stop bits and the buffer length. Click on add, done. Now take a display node, connect it to the on receive node, save your code, verify it and upload. Code has been uploaded. Let's open our serial monitor. Select the COM port. Write the text. Click on send.